Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Begin by opening Play Store and installing Magic Fluids Lite from Mad Scientist Developer. When it's ready, open it. Now remember to swipe up and hit OK to tap on the bottom left corner. This way you will mute the music right away. Finally, click on those three lines at the bottom right corner. Hit Set as Live Wallpaper. And then select this gear at the top right one. Now you need to select I accept in First Things First pop-up and check out all of those options. When you finished, you can finally go back, click on Set Wallpaper and decide where you wish to apply it. I will go with home screen only, so when I click and go back, I can state my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!